Hey there, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we're firing up the LoneStar. We're gonna be doing a brisket again and again. So let's get going. All right, what we got here is a 20-pound brisket prime. This is a big boy. I did some trimming, not very aggressive, not too much fat off it. As you can see on this side, I did the same thing, just any hard fat, took it off. Go ahead and hit it with some Worcestershire sauce or a lot of bit of Worcestershire sauce. This will help the rub bind. And for a rub, we're just using one of my basic coffee rubs. I'll have the recipe in the bottom in the description, but we're just gonna liberally coat the prime both sides, make sure we get it nice and coated. We'll go ahead and hit the other side, again with the Worcestershire. We'll get this side completely coated. All right, we'll go ahead and let this hang out for a bit. Let's get our LoneStar fired up. We got our LoneStar up to 250. I'm probably gonna let this cruise between 275, 300, but 250 is where I'm gonna start out with. We got our hickory going. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy on. We're gonna do point side towards the firebox, right in the middle. And I'm gonna let this cruise until, I'm either gonna look at the color. If it gets to a nice color, a nice bark that I like, we're gonna go ahead and wrap with butcher paper. So we'll let this cruise and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, we're at that three hour mark. The flat is about 160. I'm liking the color on this, so we're gonna go ahead and get this off and get it into some butcher paper. All right, our brisket is hit about the 200 mark and it's probing really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this into my Cambro. You can use your cooler, put some towels on top of it, and we're gonna let it hang out for about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll be ready to eat some brisket. All right, so here we go. Let's open this up. All right, let's see if I can transfer this thing to the cutting board. That is pretty. It's got that nice wiggle to it. You can see I made a mark right here. It'll let me know the grain, but I can kind of see the grain. So let's go ahead and slice this. You know what? I'm gonna use a different knife. You know, that feels a lot more tender than I have felt in my briskets. I don't know, I'm liking this so far. It's got a great smell. It's nice and tender. Looks juicy. Let's go ahead and get into this point. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is just juicy. All right, let's look at the flat. Ooh, it's still hot. Nice, nice bend to it. Nice and juicy. It's got a little tug to it, but it does pull apart. All right, so I'm liking it. I mean, pretty simple cook. Got it on about 9:45, finished around 5. Let it rest for about an hour. The pit, like I said, I was trying to go for 275, 300. If it got over 300, I wasn't gonna stress. But she just wanted to sit at 275, so I didn't argue with her. Let's see what this tastes like. It's nice. It's nice and beefy. Got a nice, nice crust on it. Good smoke flavor. Not overpowering. I like it. I'm getting a lot better with these briskets. I think the things I've learned is don't stress, quality meat, simple rubs, don't overdo it, and just cook until it's done. Don't worry about temps, just feel it, probe it. You'll know when it's done. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you give us a try. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.